Oh, hi there! Welcome to a very special New Year's episode. And if you hadn't noticed, I dressed up for the occasion. And you can too. Let me show you how you can turn this into a nice little bow tie that'll make you the center of attention at any party. Okay, let me show you in a few easy steps how you can turn this champagne cork into a nice little bow tie. So obviously we're going to remove the cork from the cage. We're going to set this aside. And what you'll need is a big knife, ideally, and helpful can also be needle nose pliers, but they're not 100% necessary. So first thing, of course, is we'll cut the cork in half. And that's where the big knife comes in, because you'll make a nice straight cut way easier with the big knife. Next thing we're going to cut is the top here. Cut kind of half of that off, depending on the size of your cork. And what you're left with then is already the little bow tie shape. Isn't that nice? So put the knife away, we're done with that. And make sure that the open end of that wire cage is pointing downwards from the orientation of the logo. We're gonna fold that up and back down again to make a little clip. And what you do then is you insert the cork pieces into the little wire cage. And now is the time for the needle nose pliers. They make it easier to fold these little wires over. Just grab them at the lowest point here and fold them down. And you can do this by hand as well, but it's a bit more fiddly. So if you're preparing this, use some needle nose pliers. And if you're at someone's party showing this as a little party trick, well, maybe practice before. And for the second two legs here, we're going to just put this down on the cutting mat or cutting board, which you should use, and roll it over to fold these flat. And well, you're almost done. All you need is to fold down the top piece here, and I'll demonstrate that with the pliers because you can see better. Fold that down, and this will be the clip to attach it to your clothes. So as I mentioned, this thing can make you the center of attention at any party. And that can happen in three ways. Either you prepare it yourself and wear it yourself, or you prepare it and bring it as a gift for your host, or, and that's the most dangerous option, you prepare this at the party as a nice little party trick. But please beware, don't drink a knife. Stay safe in your kitchen. And with that said, I wish you a Happy New Year. See you in 2025. Let me introduce you to Werk, the sponsor of today's video. Based in Copenhagen, Werk is a contemporary kitchenware company dedicated to developing honest and high-quality tools for everyday use. Follow the link in the description or go to werk.com and sign up for the newsletter to get 10% off your first order.